Okay, here we go. Down we go again. All right, so we talked about that area. Let's try to bring it up here. Market's really moving fast, and even our supercomputer is having a hard time keeping up with it. Let's see here. What happened to our profile? Oh, I'm sorry. That was not the right thing. Here we are. So that area between our two profile lines, and of course we're now right at that. We're bouncing in between here quite a bit, but we made it up size 58.75, and now we're kind of coming right back down. So we've got to get a better look on what's really happening here. There we go. Lots of volatility. All right, let's see if we can't make a little sense of this. All right, coming down to the TPO and the POC here. That makes for a good exit. And oh, man. All right, we got out of that short. That was a nice short. Moving fast today, so you can see that 2370. I'm not really sure if that's the POC or not. Let's look at this. 4% there. No, that's just an area of high volume. $56 is higher volume. That's soon that is soon to become a area of soon to become the POC, I'm fairly sure. Okay, let's see if we can't make something out of this. Wow. Man, is that moving fast. Very fast. Okay, up there at 55. Let's see. Okay, really pushing higher. Let's see if we can't get something out of this. Wow, it is so hard to follow this. This is moving so fast. This is moving so fast. Wow. This might be a little hard to even get filled at a limit order. Now we tried to short this. Not that I got a very good fill at 54. 54.75. That's terrible. It's just going to go lower. Well, it just did. Okay, I'm going to trail this down. Wow. Yeah, I'm already stopped out. Okay. I'm glad I'm recording this. I have to go and put it on slow motion just to follow what happened. Whoa. That is crazy fast. And this is going down. I mean, the trend is down. And if it wasn't for the premium, this would be pretty hard to follow. Let's just see what the premium is telling us. Whoa. Not telling me what I'd like to see, though. Okay, we better structure this. See if we can get a read on this. No. No, I didn't quite want to do that, but anyway. Okay, let's see if we can't get a read on this. No, I can't get a read on this. There's nothing glaringly obvious here. Other than the fact that that looks like a good place to short. Really because of the INX. Alright, there's just so much area in here that needs to be. You look at what happened yesterday and how we looked at some of these low volume nodes. Let's see if we can't pick this out. 82, 82 or 86. Let's say 83. I'll go to 86. So if we short this or try to at 55.75, it's already made it to 83 and coming down. We missed that. Well, maybe get another chance here. Okay, okay. All right. Very, whoa. All right. 55.75. Okay. That should be going to 36 is what it looks like before we get ready. Okay, let's try to get in here. Let's try to get in. Okay, good. Come on, come on. We got a little bit of a fill. Okay, good. All right, come on down. Come on down now. All right, well, we're in. I'm not thinking this is going to go much higher. I hope not. Ooh. Well, we're looking at this low volume at 58.75. That's as high as she went. And we are in. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I hope we don't get stopped out here. My stop is at 60, 50. Oh, we are going to get stopped out. Well, maybe not. Or maybe we will. Come on, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Oh, crud. Okay. Where's this going? Where's this going? I think we are really awfully close. No, we got to get back in. We got to get back in. I'm getting back in. I think we just, oh, come on. This is tough. Oh, now she's coming down. Okay, could we have seen this level? I gotta go look at a couple of other sources here. Okay. Oh, are we shooting for? Don't tell me. Yeah, we're shooting for the TPO from the overnight. Oh, we could easily. I think that's where this is headed. We're heading for 62.75, it looks like. We should have seen this coming. We should have seen this coming. And we didn't. Now, we may come down to 58.75 if we're fortunate. I'm sorry, 58.75. I think I said 54. 58.75 if we're fortunate. Nope. Yep, there we go. Going right up there. We're out. We lost on this one. This is too fast. I do not like it. But that's where we're headed. So we're not even getting in on the long. There we go. Right up there. Well, now we have tried to take a short here. I'll see if this can't help us recover a little bit of the loss here that we've had. We got so much of an area of repair that needs to take place. Well, we've got a bit of a naked bar right there. So I think there's a good chance that we are going to be able to get be able to recover as we drop down here. So I wouldn't call, I would say that's a this is a gift of a short here, and we can fully anticipate that this is going to come down further. There's 59.25. Let's look at that. 59.25 is right in here. 58.75 is low value. Very low volume. No, very low. And that would make some sense here, because if we can drop down even to this area of low volume at 58, that should put us somewhere in the area of the 236.20 category to repair that. That looks like a reasonable target. We're going to let this ride for a few minutes and come back. Well, we were thinking of going short. That didn't work either. Shorting it off of the TPOC. So we're trying it again. Getting into a short here. And we'll see if that can't help produce, because this was low volume as well from 2 days ago. Well, really from yesterday, I should say. Overnight market here. So we'll see if this can't help produce something more significant. It would seem to me that we have good reason to expect this market to drop and to work on this area of repair in here. That's significant. The only question is, I'm not really sure that we've gone high enough, but we're doing our best to be short in here. But I certainly don't want to get stopped out again. So we'll come back. Well, wait a minute. Before we do that, let's just take a look at. Come on, don't do it to me. All right, now just a couple of things that have happened here. We first of all looked at this particular low on the premium. Now, that's still a naked bar in my book, but this is even more so, which of course you see how we dropped here, and we got into a major divergence, came back up. We had another low bar here. We dropped, tagged that, and we're divergent, and then headed on up. Now you see as we came down, we're low again. And so we've got to drop back into this range. Well, no, right to 64.50, if not a little better than that. I think we'll go lower. But the question is whether or not we're going to go higher. And that's the tough call. Now let's look at the profile here. Oh yeah. All right, well the call is short, and that certainly makes sense because we've got really low volume in there. Low 65. So there's about a point in there. So that's a good 3.5 point drop from where we are. All right, I think that's good. All right. Now, that would bring us certainly down to the 63.75 low volume node here. So stay short, gotta stay short here. So our target at 63.25, I think, is pretty solid. Because that's going to put us right into this area of repair in here. And the low volume bar here, I'm not so sure about that. That seems really pretty low. Yeah. Actually, that's the upper value area, pardon me. that upper value area here? No. It's got to get closer to 60. That's right in here. Yeah, I'm not relying on these profiles too much. Okay, we'll come back in a minute. Well, let's see what just happened on the premium. Coming down. Okay, getting close. Okay, we should be able to make it. Should be able to make it. We got a repair there. That's a quarter of a point. Come on, take it down. Take it down. Come on. Oh. It did, but it didn't last. Come on. Come. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Looks like we're heading just a little lower too. But I think we're going to kind of push up again before we come down much further, I think. I see likely that we'll repair in here. That's worth a quarter of a point. Yeah, I'm just saying we're not fixed in here, so we've got a little bit more to go, in which case I think we can scalp. Yeah, right in here is where we only got up that high, but we're a little low here, so yeah, we may have a little bit more room to go, maybe up to, it's hard to say. Actually, this looks like, only logical place for it to go is up to 75. But it didn't even make it to 74 before, so, you know, maybe past 70, 71. But it's not even doing that, it's turning down. Here we go. One more tick down. Come on. Oh, it didn't look good. Didn't like that. Man, it just barely. Ah. No, that's not repaired yet. There we go. Now we're done. Thank you. Ah, yes, indeed. Now, wow, boy, does that look different from just a few minutes ago. But now we've got 49 on the radar, 48. Right down in, whoa, let's keep it on going down. Oh boy. All right, see if we can't pull off another short here. We'll come back. 63.25 is a good target, as well as 64. Okay, there's 68. Okay, whoa, there we go. There's 64. Good. We got filled on that. I just hope this isn't going to turn into a big mistake. Because here's the area of repair that we had talked about previously. And we're going back up there to do a little bit more work before coming down. All right, we'll come back in a few minutes and see how much it spends in between here before it drops again. Well, we shouldn't ignore that baby up here at 65.50. We bounced off of this area in here again. And heading back up, as we said, how much time we're going to spend messing around in here before it really comes back down. Because that's not the only area. Sure, indeed, we've got some work to do in here, but look at what's way down here. We've got work to do. Well, we had that area at 65.50. As a target from that weird spike on the premium, and it looks like we're about to hit it. Yep, there we go. 66. Maybe all she wrote. Let's get rid of some of this. All right in there. And on the IMX, just coming up to that level, should put us at 66. Really made it to 65.75. I'm a little surprised. Give it another chance. Well, we'll come back and just, there we go. There we go. 66, good. See if we can't get something out of this, and hopefully it doesn't do what it's done before and just keep right on going. I think we'll have to test that. Premium suggests we're going to need to test that. Okay. Okay. That was probably it. Come on down. Come on down. obvious target right there at 68. Then it gets a little messy. And that's a point. Okay, 63.25, point right below here. Expect it to come back and repair that. That's only a point. Come on, take it down. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we're out. Thank you. We got a lot further to go, but I think from a profile standpoint, this is a good place to anticipate a bit of a bounce. Premium T seems to agree with that too. Okay, right back up. Good. Grabbed a point there as well. Not bad. All right, well, we're just about out of time here. So I think we're just going to settle on that for the moment. As far as where this market is going today, we mentioned in the let's get back over here. No, that's not really what I want. That's to show you. This doesn't really represent what I'd like to see. So this is our overnight market. On this, this is not real clear. We made it to a high of 67. And we made it to that high of 67 here just a bit ago, a little bit higher. So that hit the overnight high. And the market opens, let's see here. Right about there. So I think it's really important for us to take a look at where the TPOC is. Let's see if we can find that. Well, that's not quite where I expected it to be. Yeah, that TPOC is much higher. But that having been said, we're going to drop. We've got to drop. Okay, let's take a look at the INX. Let's go back here. I think we can be done with this. Right in here. So I anticipate a couple of point drop here pretty quick, pretty soon at least. And so we'll come back when we kind of see it move down that way. Yeah, very interesting. SPY went up to 74. All right, didn't make much sense because 75, look at the volume. Didn't make sense. And so, you know, it came down, fussed around, then went back up, hit 75, and then came down again. All right. Messing up around 68. Now we're heading lower. Should come down all the way. 65.50 makes some sense as well. And up to 77, which is just what we did. But didn't make it to 78. I think we're still gonna try that, but we're in on a short. Hard to say where exactly, but 78 is low volume. It does tend to go there. There we have it. Only went to 65.25 though. Okay, we'll come back. Well, as you can now see, we've obviously taken a dive, a considerable dive, and that's fine. That's just fine. We're gonna get out of this trade because that was a nice move. We shorted that, so that looked really good, and we came back and said, time to say enough of that. But anyway, that's all the time that we're going to take for this video. Let's bring this back. Just took it right down to that 35.99 area, which you could see made really good sense too because of this very high volume node here. And let's just look at that. That's a 2%er. That's a little easier just to quantify. And a little over 1% at 36.45. Pardon me. Yeah, 236.45. And then again at oh, that's the same one. At 75. Okay. All right. Good to know. Let's take a look here. So we did justice to that area of low volume, came down here to the low value area, stayed above the close from yesterday. That's good. Okay, that's our video for today.